Did you know that some ambitious startups are boldly claiming they're on the verge of achieving what ancient alchemists only dreamed of? Real-life alchemy. It sounds like something out of a fantasy novel. But these companies are serious, and their approach is rooted in cutting-edge science, not magic or wishful thinking. Instead of potions and spells, their secret ingredient is the fusion reactor, a machine that harnesses the same power that fuels the sun. Fusion reactors are at the heart of this modern quest to transform elements, offering a glimpse into a future where science blurs the line between the impossible and the possible. For centuries, alchemists like Isaac Newton, yes, the same Newton who gave us the laws of motion, were obsessed with the idea of turning base metals like mercury into gold. They spent lifetimes scribbling secret formulas by candlelight, hoping to unlock the ultimate shortcut to wealth and immortality. Their dream was never realized, but the legend of alchemy has endured. Fast forward to the present day, and a San Francisco-based startup called Marathon Fusion is reviving this ancient dream. But this time, they're swapping mystical symbols for high-tech labs and scientific rigor. They believe that with the right technology, they might actually be able to pull off what alchemists never could. Here's their plan. They take a special isotope of mercury called Mercury-198 and bombard it with a stream of super-energetic neutrons produced inside a fusion reactor. This process is all about precision, using the immense energy of fusion to trigger a nuclear reaction that changes the very identity of the atom. When Mercury-198 absorbs a neutron, it transforms into Mercury-197. But the magic doesn't stop there. Mercury-197 is unstable, so it naturally decays into gold-197, which is the same kind of gold you'd find in jewelry or coins. It's a real physical transformation, not just a chemical trick. But before you start dreaming of gold-plated everything, there's a catch. The gold produced this way is initially radioactive, which means it's not safe to handle or wear. It would need to be stored securely for nearly 18 years, almost a generation, before it becomes safe enough to use in jewelry or electronics. Still, the potential is staggering. Marathon Fusion estimates that once their reactors are up and running, they could produce tons of gold for every gigawatt of power generated. That's not just a few flecks or grams, it's industrial-scale gold production, something that could shake up global markets. To put it in perspective, CERN's massive particle collider has only managed to create minuscule flecks of gold, barely enough to see. In contrast, fusion-powered gold production could be measured in kilograms or even tons, making it a game-changer if it ever becomes reality.